Hello, now we'll learn how to do subtraction using 9's complement. Here this is decimal subtraction. Here we can see this term is called minuend and the term which we are subtracting is called subtrahend. First we will find the 9's complement of this term. Then after that we will add the result to this minuend. If there is carry, it shows that the result is positive, and add this carry to the least significant digit of the result. Let's take an example now. First we will find the 9's complement of this subtrahend. So to find the 9's complement, we will subtract this from each digit from 9. 436.62. Subtract this, we will get this is the 9's complement. Now this is the 9's complement. Now we will add this 9's complement to this minuend. So this is 4 and this is 13. We can see here there is a carry. This is carry. This carry shows that the result is positive. Now we will add this carry to the least significant digit. This is the least significant digit, so we will add this carry to this term. Now this is 8, 4 and 3. This adding this carry term to the least significant digit is called AND around carry. If there is no carry, this shows the answer is negative and in the 9's complement form. To get the answer, take the 9's complement of the result. Let's take an example to understand this. We can see here in decimal numbers this subtrahend is greater than this minuend, so the answer will be negative. Now we'll perform this using the 9's complement. Now we will find the 9's complement of this subtrahend. So now we will add this to this minuend. 436.62 and this 254.18. Now we'll add this. There is no carry in this case. Now this shows, if there is no carry, this shows that this answer is in 9's complement and it is negative. So we will take the 9's complement of the result. Add negative sign to the answer. Now this is the answer. We can match this answer with this answer. We can see it is exactly same. So if there is no carry, the answer is negative and in the 9's complement. If you find the videos interesting, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.